How to use an article to drive traffic to your website. Every business owner who's ever hosted a blog has experienced the frustration of trying to gain readership. Though we'd all like it if readers just magically came to us, the reality is, it takes some work to build an audience. If you are looking to increase the amount of traffic that is visiting your website, then the key is article marketing. One of the most powerful ways that you can achieve this is through article marketing, which will allow you to generate a significant traffic increase to your website. The initial phase during the time spent article advertising is to develop a clearly written informational article. This article ought to offer some benefit in some structure, and ought to be composed unequivocally sufficient that it assists with building believability. An obviously composed article is one that ensures your readers will not simply skim it. By giving a simple read, you will actually want to connect with your likely clients, giving them motivation to need more. To keep the consideration of your reader, your article should be capable of offering some type of significant worth. This is the essential guideline behind the idea of online article promoting. One illustration of this idea might be to compose a SEO-themed article discussing how to compose effective title tags for website improvement. The result of a clearly written article offering some benefit is believability. Believability might be an unpretentious idea, yet it is totally crucial in case you are hoping to drive enormous traffic numbers to your site or to your offshoot items. The absolute most ideal approaches to assemble believability through your article showcasing is to infuse your experience into the articles that you compose, give references to discoveries from proficient investigations, offer facts, provide industry expertise and quotes and so on. When a convincing article has been composed for this type of advertising, you can weave in some sort of reference to your products or services. It is significant that you make this stride humbly, assuming you need your article showcasing endeavors to be viewed in a serious way. You ought not need to fuse in a hard sell, since this doesn't appear to work. Try not to instruct individuals what to use, or force them to take your opinions. Just write a clearly written, informative article, give something important to the reader, and afterward utilize your freshly discovered believability as an approach to create traffic to your site. Since you have composed your article, you can execute on page advancement, for example, your keywords in your article title. Your title should be main words most of the time. Your keyword should also be used in most of your paragraphs, however not all are important. Once in the body of your article you should bold your keyword. You may likewise need to underline or emphasize your watchword in some measure once also, because these text signals tell search engines which phrases are important. It's easy to get frustrated and just give up on blogging, yet when you experience the advantages, you'll comprehend that your blog can colossally affect your business by attracting traffic to your site, helping you build a social media audience and making an impression on prospects and customers. Following are 14 proven strategies that can assist you with boosting readership and increment traffic to your blog. 1. Write more and update more often. Studies show that the more regularly you update your blog, the more traffic it will get. Google gives higher priority to sites with new content, so assuming you need to stand out enough to be noticed from the web crawlers, update your blog at least twice a week. 2. Promote with social media. Share each new blog post across your social media networks, including Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. In the event that you invest energy developing your networks and offer extraordinary content, social media sites' destinations can turn out to be a portion of your top traffic sources. 3. Write better headlines and SEO optimize them. The titles for your blog are practically more significant than the content. That is on the grounds that titles assist possible readers with choosing whether they should click and read more. Focus on the article titles you see on magazine covers. They allure readers with promises and solutions. At the point when you do likewise, your readership will increment. Optimize headlines with SEO. 4. Know your niche. While you might be interested on web design, travel to Croatia, lead baseball and weight reduction, you'll befuddle your crowd if your content doesn't follow a clear theme. Choose who your interest group is, the thing that they need to peruse and what explicit messages you need to pass on. 5. Include photos. Studies have shown that photographs in blog entries help readership. Not exclusively does a photograph make the post all the more outwardly engaging, yet you can likewise remember watchwords for the alt image tag on the photograph, boosting site improvement, SEO, for your site. Remember that you can't simply pull any photograph from Google since you hazard abusing intellectual property laws. All things being equal, find sovereignty-free pictures from a site like clipart.com or pexel.com. 6. Incorporate keywords. Discussing SEO, keywords are at the heart of SEO. One of the least demanding approaches to create more traffic to your site is to guarantee that each page on your site has a watchword methodology. So for each blog entry you compose, pick one key phrase that you accept readers would use to find that post. Then, incorporate that phrase into the title of the post, the feature on the page, inside the content on the page multiple times, in an included picture on the page and also as part of the page link, permalink. Keyword concentration helps Google with getting what's going on with that page, which can at last prompt additional traffic from the web indexes. 7. Incorporate links and backlinks. When you mention another company's product or service in a blog post, incorporate a connection to that organization's page. In addition to the fact that Google likes to see outbound connections on your site, the organization you notice may likewise see your post and connection back to you. Furthermore, readers like it when you give assets to make it simpler for them to discover the things they're searching for. Also link your articles to internal links. 8. Add social sharing buttons. At the top and lower part of your blog entries, ensure you incorporate social sharing buttons for Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and the other major social networks. Make it simple for readers to get the message out. 9. Add video. Google owns YouTube, which is one of the many reasons that videos can drive more traffic to your site. Supplement the composed content on your blog with short recordings that are educational and engaging. 10. Invest in promotion. If you believe your audience is spending time on Facebook, sporadically put resources into supported posts. For just $10, you can lift a post and increment its reach significantly. 11. Write guest posts. Find different websites that arrive at your ideal interest group, and offer to contribute guest blog posts. In the event that the site has a considerable crowd, you can bet that readers will in turn want to engage with more of your content. 12. Cross-promote to your mailing list. Instead of writing all new content for your electronic newsletter, share the primary paragraph from a few ongoing blog entries and include a link to continue reading on the site. Not every person is setting aside the effort to peruse your blog every week, so this will assist with getting your endorsers put resources into your blog. 13. Content easy to read. Make your content easy to read by using plenty of subheads, bullets and numbered lists. 14. Promote. Promote your blog in your email signature and your bio in any online profiles. At last, have fun with your blog. In the event that it seems like drudgery, your readers will take note. But if you enjoy producing the content, that will come across and have a tremendous impact on your success.